going to learn the foundational step of the Bharatanatyam. It's not a step, but it's a very important requirement that we have to follow in every steps in Bharatanatyam. So we will be learning about the Aramandi. That is the half posture. So yeah, let's go to the step. Yeah. So there are main three steps that we need to follow to sit in a proper Aramandi. The step one is we have to stand straight and we have to keep our feet together. Then we have to keep our hands on the hips, and that is very relaxed status. Okay, like this. And we have to keep our face straight, our body straight. We should not like bend over like that. Okay. Now, yeah, the third step is you have to move your feet a 45-degree angle. That is a total of 180-degree it will become. Then we have to sit slowly down to that. So, like this. Okay. So, this is called the half Mandi posture. So, we have to make our shoulders relaxed, keep our hands on the hips, and then the knees should be in the parallel to the toes. Okay. I hope you are able to see my toes that are in the 45-degree. And so the main common mistakes that we make while sitting in Aramandi is that our knees will come forward. So it will be like this. That is a wrong posture. We have to always keep it in the side. Okay, that is like this. And then we should not bend over. We should be straight. Our jaw should be in the parallel to our down portion. So yeah, and just keep a smiling face always. Thank you.